G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the white that you can see is a reflection of the lights off the water. The stone's been wetted to help show the colours. These are basically just small pieces, whether you're going to find a lot in it. Some of these, just a little seam through there of opal. It's got a bit of colour in here. Piece of matrix type material. That should polish alright, although you need to probably be able to use a Dremel because it's undulating a little bit. This is just an interesting pattern with some opal through it here. Maybe just slice it and cut it as it is rather than trying to get a face of colour. Same with this. Maybe just face it and have a nice browns, the colour of the opal, which is quite fiery, that piece. Again, just cut it and have the opal showing through there on the corner. It's a bit more sort of crystal piece. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.